Hey everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of the Magift Bluetooth FM transmitter car phone holder. So the packaging is very simple. We don't really have much on the unboxing side, but we do have some instructions, and I will be going through the setup process later in the video. We have an aux cable, and we have the cigarette lighter socket included, and then an air vent holder. So setting up is very easy. All you do is screw off the back, put in the air vent holder, and then once you're in the car, we'll go for the setup. Okay, so I've got the device here, and all I need to do is plug it into one of the air vents and then tighten that. That's pretty secure, that's not going to come out. And I can also tighten it on the back as well, and then plug it into the cigarette slot. And then I want to get my phone, and that's pretty tight. If I want to loosen it, it's quite easy. I can just press the button at the back to loosen it. So let's put that in, and you can hear it click. It does feel a little bit flimsy, but of course you can adjust it. I'm going to angle it towards me. Obviously I want to turn on the car. Okay, so I've got BT at the bottom, and then go to Bluetooth, and then you want to pair with the device. Okay, and now I'm paired with it. I want to go to the channel, which is 88.1. And it should work. Okay. And I can hear stuff coming out of the speakers. So overall, I think that it is really easy to use and relatively easy to set up. I think I will do a review, but I will do that later down the line once I've got more experience using it. So if you did find this unboxing helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching.